Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript spread operator. The spread operator is a feature introduced in JavaScript ES6 that allows you to spread or expand elements from an iterable, like an array or a string, into various places, such as function arguments, array literals, and object literals. It is denoted by 3 consecutive dots. Let's see the practical example. I have opened my code editor and in script tag I write JavaScript code. First, I create an array. In this array, I write some integer value. Next, I use console.log method and in this I pass array variable. Next, open your browser. Inspect page and select console. In console you can see I get a complete array. Next, I write another console method and in this I use spread operator. For spread operator we need to write only 3 before an array variable. In console you can see spread operator can spread array value into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But, without spread operator we get our array in the console. Now, I remove this code. With the help of spread operator we can copy the items into a single array. Let's see an example. Here, I create 2 array. In first array we have only 2 value, 1 and 2, but in second array we have 3 value 3, 4 and 5. Next, I use console.log method and in this method I pass array 2. In console, you can see I get only array 2 value. Now, I second array we can pass first array with spread operator sign. Now, in console you can see I get array 1 value in array 2. Now, I remove this code. Now, we can clone array using spread operator. First, we create an array. Next, I create another array and assign same array to this. Next, I use console.log method and in this method I write array 2 variable and array 1 variable. Next, I push a value in array 1. Here, both variables arr1 and arr2 are referring to the same array. Hence the change in one variable results in the change in both variables. However, if you want to copy arrays so that they do not refer to the same array, you can use the spread operator. This way, the change in one array is not reflected in the other. So, in console now, only first array value update but second array cannot be changed. Again I remove this line of code. We can also use the spread operator with object literals. So, here I create a 2 object. Next, I create third object and in this I pass object 1 and object 2 with spread operator. Next, I use console.log method and in this method I pass object 3. Here, both object 1 and object 2 properties are added to object 3 using the spread operator. Next, we talk about REST parameter. What is REST parameter? When the spread operator is used as a parameter, it is known as the REST parameter. You can also accept multiple arguments in a function call using the REST parameter. Let's see the practical example. So, I remove this line of code. Next, I create a normal function. In this function I use a console.log method. Next, I pass an argument in a function. Then, pass this argument in console.log method. Next, I call a function and pass an argument value here. So, in console you can see I get 3. Now, I pass a multiple value through argument. Next, I use a spread operator sign in an argument. Now, you can see I get a multiple value in a console at a time. If I pass only one value here, and using rest parameter, in console you can see I get only one value. Now, I pass an array as an argument. In parameter I pass 3 parameter, a, b, and c. In console.log method I sum these 3 parameter. Next, I create an array. Next, I pass this array in a main function as an argument value. Here, 1 store in argument a, 2 store in b and 3 store in c. Then, I sum this value and print in console. Here, you can see I get the sum of a, b, and c. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.